Welcome everybody. Today in this video, I want to talk about something super important, which is life, taking care of yourself, having a beautiful purpose, and trying to fix your life or improve your life is way better than watching pornography. Okay? So the first thing that I'm going to tell you here is if you are the type of person who is watching pornography on a daily basis, the best thing that you can do is to find a purpose. This is the first step. And obviously, what should you listen to me? It's because I've made countless amount of people overcome this addiction. And I can make you overcome this addiction as well. If you want to, I can help you directly by clicking the first link in the description. There's going to be a link when you can book a free discovery call, basically. Okay? But this is really up to you. You don't really have to. Just watch my videos and you can easily overcome this addiction. This is for more people that truly want to overcome this addiction as quick as possible. But anyway, in this video, I want to talk about something very important, like I've said, is life is way more purposeful when you don't watch pornography, but when you actually try to improve yourself. Because think about it, right? For us men, right? Most of men, obviously, they watch porn, right? The reason why we watch porn is because there is something behind it. And we use pornography as a coping mechanism, okay? So, for me, before, when I used to get mad, sad, every negative emotion, I use it to basically feel like just go and, jerk off, literally, and watch pornography, right? But obviously, when you're gonna rewire your brain and use this energy, or simply stop feeling those energies, or basically don't get manipulated or don't get absorbed by those energies, your life will become way better. Because think about it, right? We live in a world when everybody is a slave, okay? Like a very big percentage of the population in this world are just slaves, okay? If you go here, as you can see, there's literally sun right there, and I'm getting some sun, and just by getting some sun, I got a lot of energy. Sun contains a lot of dopamine and contains a lot of, let's say, natural energy. They're gonna give you energy, right? If another person who was brainwashed look at me, he will be like, well, you can have like skin cancer. You get what I'm saying? This is how brainwashed our society is right now. And the reason why I'm talking about, our society that is brainwashed, it's because pornography is a very big part of our society of today. We use it most of the time as a coping mechanism because we don't feel good towards ourselves. We don't actually respect ourselves as well. And the best thing you can do is genuinely be closer to God, always find a way more fulfilling purpose, obviously, right? And basically just take care of yourself, Because think about it. If you don't get lights, if you don't eat healthy, by the way, I just ate some beef, okay, some meat. I guess it's cow meat, yeah? Maybe cow, maybe, I don't know, maybe cow, maybe sheep. For me, it doesn't truly matters. And then I'm just chilling. There is no cortisol, there is no stress. I dropped out from the university, and all of those things, it's because I just simply don't want to stay in the system. And the system that I'm talking about here is the society. Because right now, in the society that we live in, it's pretty easy to stay brainwashed, okay? Or let's say to stay a slave. There's people that are okay by staying a slave, okay? For my case, I don't really like it. And that's why I dropped out from the university as well. It's because too much cortisol, okay? Too much stress. Plus, I don't see any benefits in it, okay? And this, for example, the last part that I just said, that you don't see benefits in university, that's why I dropped out. You need actually the same perspective towards pornography. The reason why you're watching pornography is because you use it as a coping mechanism, but also there is benefits in it. As a human, we're always gonna use things that are gonna benefit us. And because you think and rewire your brain here, like it's more scientific, the pornography will help you overcoming your problems. That's the reason why you're gonna keep consuming it. But if you generally change your lifestyle and you change your beliefs, as easy as it sounds, literally, you will feel way better, okay? You will stop seeing benefits in pornography. and you will just lose all the interest in watching those type of content and losing your time and all of those things. You get what I'm saying? Like, this video is a little bit like more about like, I'm trying to make you awake, okay? I'm trying to make you conscious about what's actually happening in this world. And obviously, we all know who created pornography, okay? It's people that really love money. They have a big nose, you know, they are doing like a big mess, you know, in this world. I'm just not gonna talk. I'm not gonna talk more about this, but you get what I'm saying? This is very political. I don't wanna go into political stuff, just create problems. I'm just here to basically help you, to guide you, to show you that this life is way, way more valuable than just watching porn. I know you didn't see me because of the focus, but you get what I'm saying. That's literally all you have to do, like I've said in this video. So let's put it when it comes to this video. Like I've said, this video is a little bit like a little recap, but I'm just basically giving you some small little informations that gonna change your belief towards time, because it's gonna keep compounding. And I highly suggest you to keep watching my videos, because it's, like I've said, those information is gonna keep compounding and it's gonna help you to overcome this addiction. And that's what I'm saying, because when you're gonna overcome this addiction, you will change your whole identity. You will change your belief. You will change your perspective towards life, okay? Because let's say, for example, you are a person, and let's say there's a person, another person, you don't even know him, right? He told you that if you don't stop watching those type of content, tomorrow I'm about to kill your whole family. Literally. If you just watch one clip of this type of content, I will shoot your family in front of every single person. Do you generally think you will do this again? Realistically talking, obviously not, okay? And this just proves that it's all mental. That means if you genuinely want to stop watching those type of content, you will, okay? But for most of people, they find it really, really, really hard. That's why I highly suggest you to just watch my YouTube videos. They are literally so freaking easy. I really cannot emphasize this enough. And of course, remember that life is all about lessons. I highly suggest you to watch this video when I'm basically talking about the type of mindset that you need in order to, you know how to deal with pornography. What the fuck did I just touch my head? I don't know. Anyway, so if you have any more questions, please let me know in the comments. And yeah, if you need help, first link in the description. Peace out. I love you and take care of yourself.